Yo guys, what is going on? I'm going to show you how to get ShowBox on your iOS or Android device. This is working completely for free. ShowBox will allow you to watch any movie and TV show online on your mobile device from anywhere in the world. All you will need is an internet connection and you'll be able to get this completely for free. As you can see here, I'm just going to load into the application, just wants a little bit of information. And this is ShowBox. So ShowBox will simply allow you to watch any movie, TV show you can search. They've got trending stuff, literally anything in the movies right now at 720p and 1080p. So you can literally watch all movies completely for free. You just simply click on the movie you want to watch, and then you can even press watch now or download, and you can download it locally to your device. So you can, if you're traveling on a plane or something, you want to watch it, you can simply download the movie and then watch it online. So guys, we've also got TV shows here. We've got the new season 3 of Stranger Things you can watch. And this is working on Android and iOS devices. It's a simple app injections. As you can see, I got the downloads list right there. I'm going to show you in the next 3 to 4 minutes how to do this exactly for free. And it's so easy, and you guys can pretty much watch any movie you want. And you don't have to pay for Netflix or anything. And I just think it's a lot better because you can watch all the movies in the cinemas. And it's also got a huge collection of pretty much every movie ever made. So you can type in, Hang for Hangover. You got Hangover 1, Part 2, and it'll take you to the ShowBox installer. It'll say to get started, when you first need to inject the content into this app. It's a simple process. You'll have to do this only once to get all access to the movies and TV shows for life. So you simply hit on get started. It'll say the ShowBox injection. Please install at least 2 apps to start the injection. ShowBox will install. So guys, all we got to do, simply download and run at least 2 of these free apps. Once we've done that, we're going to be able to get ShowBox and our device. It'll then start to install and download on our device. So guys, these are free on the Google Play or Apple Store. They won't cost you anything. This is only a free working method, and it's going to start to download the file on your computer, on your mobile device. So there's going to be a list here. You want to at least do 2. If some aren't working, go back and try again. There might be some bugged out or something like that. If that's true, just go back and make sure they're all working. We're going to make sure I'm downloading this one, and we're going to wait for this application to finish downloading. Now guys, these apps are only really small, and it's just to make sure the app gets injected on our device. It's like a little backdoor way. So I'm just going to skip till I've got both apps downloaded. It should only take a minute or 2 for them to download. So I'll just skip that for you guys. Perfect. So once you have at least 2 applications downloaded, you want to make sure you follow the instructions and whatever it said to do. So this one just said open it for like 10 to 20 seconds. Make sure it's all working and all that. So I'm going to maybe, open it up. You guys can sign up and use these apps if you want. They're actually really good to use. This one's a free VPN app, so that's kind of awesome. So you can sign up there and do that, whatever. I've already signed up to an account, so I'm not going to do it. But once you've got ShowBox on your device, you can then delete those apps. You don't need them on there. It's just to make sure the injection process goes in. iHeartRadio is the second one. You guys might have different apps to me. That's completely fine. Just make sure you at least do 2 of them. You can simply just sign up as well if you want that one. Listen to podcasts, pretty good. But yeah, easy as enough. Once you've done 2, it should start to ShowBox should start installing on your device, and you can simply watch any movie or TV show completely for free online. You don't have to pay. And guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. ShowBox is an awesome video, and please let me know in the comments how you go. Alrighty guys, awesome. See you later.